Hey everybody, it's Connie with SimpleStamping.com back with a speedy delivery. Today we have got a sweet little baby card. Now our stamp set today is the Best Bunny stamp set. My cardstock is powder pink, 11 by 4 1/4, scored at 5.5 inches. I have another piece that is 1/4 inch by 5.5, and then the powder pink designer series paper, 5.5 by 1 3/4. I've got a little scrap of Whisper White, and then the Whisper White polka dotted tulle about 16 inches. We're just going to adhere that designer series paper and that little strip on the left side. Then with the 1.5 inch circle punch, let's punch a circle right there in the corner. I've got the smoky slate ink pad. We're going to stamp that sweet little bunny right there on that scrap. I'm going to color that in with a powder pink marker. Let's give him some little rosy cheeks. That's so sweet. Let's punch that out with the same 1.5 inch circle punch. Dimensionals on the back. That's going to go right inside that little circle. I'm going to stamp my sentiment just above it. Then I'm just going to add some of our adhesive back sequins, and then we're going to tie up that ribbon right there up at the top in a square knot. And look at that. Is that a fast but sweet little baby card? Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed today's card. Remember, click that subscribe button for more speedy deliveries.